This performance of WaterWorld. This show contains many pyrotechnic effects. For your safety and the safety of the performers, we ask your cooperation in remaining seated during the entire performance, keeping all aisleways clear. Thank you, and enjoy the show.
The future. The polar ice caps have melted, and the continents are deep beneath the waves. The survivors live on these floating fortresses known as atolls in this place called WaterWorld. Brave explorers voyage in search of the legend of Dryland, the last remaining on the planet. But the Deacon, maniacal leader of a group of evil raiders called Smokers, is determined to find dry land first. He's ensured that no explorer has ever returned until now.
Matt, what do you got?
It's a woman! Looks like it's Helen!
Helen, return signal! Open the gate!
Close the gates. Mac, keep a lookout.
Helen!
Sage, come help me.
Yeah, here, bring it in. It is good to see you alive. Where have you been?
Let's try something.
This is pure dirt. How'd you come by it?
I've been to dry land.
Dry land is a myth.
No, it's not a myth. I've been there. It's our salvation. We can all start new lives on dry land. We have to hurry. The Deacon and his smokers are after me.
Smokers in the distance!
Battle stations! Max, sound the alarm! Helen, get to that tower and get on the water cannon. Hurry! That's it. Get over to the armory and find a weapon. Move! Is that a seaplane? They have a seaplane! Max, where is he?
Incoming from the south!
Get down!
Right to the walls.
Cover it!
lot further had that person not distracted me. Oh, hey, no. It's okay. We actually need these people. Here, bag this. Brothers and sisters!
Deacon! We are not your brothers and sisters. Am I right?
Would you shut him up?
You will never shut us up.
Thank you. Now, where was I? Oh, yes. Desolate children, oh, you poor lost souls on this floating pile of sheet metal. The provider has spoken, and he told me personally that someone here knows the way to dry land. Why, yes, my flock dry land. We're gonna pave it and drive it, tax it and tithe it. Woo! Sweet Joe above. We are gonna use it, cruise it, fill it, drill it, and build an 18-hole monument to my beloved self.
You're not our far dry land, Deacon. Won't let you. Neither will the Mariner.
The Mariner? Chuck, close the gate. The Mariner. Oh, you mean that half-man, half-fish boyfriend of yours, the one who poked out my eye?
Yeah! Is that who you're talking about? Ah!
Bring me the girl. Hello, Helen. Can I offer you a smoke? Oh, so you want to play games, huh? All right. Let's play. Keep an eye on her. Well, what have you got up there, boys?
We got an Atoll! And he's got dirt!
Ooh, dirt. See, Helen, I need to know the way to dry land. And so, the game is called The First Person Who Talks Lives.
Leave him alone. He doesn't know anything.
Ooh, that makes you the winner.
No.
Helen, don't tell him anything.
And that guy, the loser. Drop it!
Wait, no, please. Please, no.
Now, Helen, you're going to tell me how to get to dry land. Or you'll be next.
Never.
Jet ski are approaching at high speed!
Excuse me. Shoot him!
He's gone!
What do you mean, gone?
He's gone under the water!
It's the Mariner. It's the Mariner! What are you waiting for? Shoot! Well, don't just stand there. Oh, Helen, I don't think I said anybody would leave until the party was over. You are dead! The girl, get the girl! Oh, come on, cousin! The Mariner's right there! I can see that, and I have one eye! Vernon, when I tell you to take his head off, hey, Vernon! I'm gonna need you to go take this guy's head off. Now! Whoa. Train that guy. Unit lost! Mariner! Business. Are you all right?
I am not.
Hey, Helen! What you doing with the fish boy? He's not your kind. Well, I don't think he has time. Let's line him up! Woo! Oh yeah, Chuck. That's what I'm talking about. We gotta run out! Hey, I know not the girl we need for you idiots! It's down! Find me another weapon. You are not going to ruin my plans for dry land. Kill that weirdo freak! Weapon! Hey! I need a weapon! Come on! How about this? Throw it! All right, Mariner. What do you say we keep this between you and me, huh? A little man against fish.
Mariner, no! Hey, you've got something in your face. You've got something on your... Mariner! I think you got it.
Helen! You've got something on your back. Why is he still alive? I want him dead! And when you're finished, signal my seaplane and we'll blow this place to kingdom come. I'll take care of that muto. Woo! Oh, shut up! Oops! All right, enough fun and games. I need something with a little more kick. Ask, ye shall receive. Hey, Mariner, say hello to Big Bertha. Woo! Yeah. Now, if you could do me a big favor and stand in one spot. And now you're gonna use Chuck as a shield. Well, I never liked Chuck.
No. Mariner!
Winner! Thank you. Well, golly gee, Helen, a single tear rolls down my cheek. Now, someone signal my seaplane. How do you like that? Looks like all my men are dead.
Good.
Yeah, well, so's your boyfriend. See that ladder? Start climbing. I've got a brand new vision. A pilgrimage for two to dry land. Oh, just picture it now, Helen. You and me, savoring the sweet flavor of dry land. If you would be so kind as to show me the way. What? No! Let me eat. Go pack your bags, Helen. We've got a plane to catch. Come on, fish boy! Allow us to determine the fate of the new world. Does it belong to man or fish?
Mariner, I'll get the boat.
Oh, no, you don't, Helen. You're not going anywhere. Not with a hole in your boat. No! You hit my seaplane. Adios, cousins! You shot down my seaplane. Nevertheless, I got your girl, I killed your friends. Who's gonna stop me now? You! I don't think so. You don't have a leg to stand on.
No!
Yes! I, Deacon of WaterWorld, celebrates the birth of a new nation. Dry land is my destiny.
Hey, Deacon!
Hey, what? No, 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 no! Sweet liberty, you bird! Oh, you, the mariner!
Get the gate!
And so the Deacon's threat has ended, and civilization may start anew on dry land, while the mariner roams the 4 points of the compass on the endless seas of WaterWorld.
Ladies and gentlemen, the cast of WaterWorld.
Thank you folks so much for spending time with us today. You might recognize our cast from some of your favorite films and television. From The Purge, Ricky Fiorillo. From Shark Week, Kurt Newmeyer. From Star Trek Picard, Matt Baxter. From Hawaii Five-0, Cy Marisol. From Y, Stan Elton. Doing that incredible 45-foot fire burn from the Grand Tour, Robert Batson. Now, coming onto the boat from Vice, Lauren Pugh. Our professional dirt biker, Justin Hoft. From Ollivanders at Universal Japan, my name is Trevor Fish. We hope you enjoy the rest of your stay here at Universal Studios Hollywood.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're pleased you enjoyed WaterWorld. In order to prepare for the next performance, we ask that you please exit the arena as soon as possible. If you would like to meet the WaterWorld cast, you'll find them by the main entrance as you exit the left side of the arena. Thank you, and have a great day at Universal Studios Hollywood, the entertainment capital of LA.